It is finally here, DJI Mavic Mini, something that I have been waiting for a long time. This is a drone that I can safely say it fits it all. Regardless if you are an advanced photographer, drone pilot, or if you're just a beginner looking to get your hands dirty into a drone game, this by far can make the cut in anybody's wish list for holiday. With this one, did I mention you don't need a pilot license? You could just fly this. I mean drone license, because technically if your drone weighs over 250 grams, you have to register it. Only 249 grams. So this is just absolutely stunning. So without further ado, let's open it up and let's see what we got. And guys, I will do an in-depth review on it soon. Right now, my main focus is to open it up and see what we have. So first thing first is to rip off all of these beautiful packaging right off the bat. We are greeted with this beautiful case that if you want to get this case, you gotta go with the bundle. Extra $100, some may think it's not worth it, but considering the amount of stuff that you get, such as the batteries, the case, I think it makes it worth it. The propeller's guard. Does anybody still uses these propeller's guard? Do you know what? For wedding, you could use the propeller guard, because the last thing you want is to hit the bride and the groom with your drone. So if you're doing wedding photography, or if you're doing something serious inside and you're thinking you're gonna hit someone, keep these. Check this out. They went intense on the drawing techniques. Why do they look like this? Look at them. I don't know. Anyway, little comic for them probably. Next we have the charging port. USB, it's not USB type C, but it supposedly charges really fast, but these little things, they get lost. I wish it was USB type C. That would make it so much cool, because didn't have to carry anything else with me. And I believe this is where the battery lies. I wonder if they fit inside of the bag, and if they do, how come they didn't put it inside of the bag? And if they don't, that would kind of suck. But cool little batteries. This is what the batteries look like. Oh, this looks so good. I see a glimpse of it on the monitor, and ooh, the inside feels nice. It feels unreal. We'll look that up later. We'll look at this later. Let's look at what else we got. Inside we have the battery, multi-battery charger. So this is what charges the battery. The connectors are right here. Cool thing is that once you have the batteries here, this is kind of like a power bank. It becomes like a power bank. This is how it looks, and it is tiny. It is really small. It fits on the palm of my hand, and it just looks stunning. We have the little camera right here. Now this camera reminds me of the Osmo Pocket. For comparison, look at the camera. You see, it's kind of the same. It's definitely smaller though. This is 4K, this is max at 2K, and if you want to know some specs, let's put it right here, and here are some specs. Just a little specs on it. That's just a little, I don't know, things if you want to know about it. So we're gonna take the propellers off of here. We're gonna rip this little stickers off, and that's it. There's another sticker on the bottom. We'll take that off, and then there she goes. The only negative thing that I have to say about this is the flapping factor. Do you see that? Do you see it on top like this? I wish they were interlock. Oh, they do interlock. Yeah, and see this will go on my nerve. This right here, it will go on my. I mean, I'm not gonna have it just out and about, but it just looks weird with them flapping around. So anyway, we take this out just like that, and then bring this out. This is it. This is the Mavic Mini. This thing looks really cool. Let's see if our battery got charged up by any chance. Wishing I wouldn't have updated and I would just let it go, but then something in me said, oh no, it's just 39 meg, just update it. This is it. The sound is not bad per se. What do you guys think? Not bad. This was interesting. I really liked it. I think this thing, it's awesome. It's my new friend. I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna do a more of an in-depth review on it when I play with it for a little bit. I'll let you guys know what I think. As always, check you guys in the next one.